Alright. This One Piece cosplay is better than yours. We're gonna talk about anime. We're gonna look at cool clothes and act as if we have the money to buy them. My friends really liked the Gear 5 video I did. I'ma do another one. Oda took his 1 month off and now we're in the last arc. Spoiler alert. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this is what we're gonna do step by step by step by step by step. Okay, you listen? Look at me. I picked 3 One Piece characters. We're going to pick among the 3. We're going to pick a budget. It'll be $20 all the way to $5,000. And then we're going to build the cosplay. We're going to build the outfit. Say, for example, if we're going to be doing a Blackbeard cosplay and we have a $5,000 budget, let's get some Balenciagas in that shit. Put some brands in there. The sky is the limit. I have prepared 3 wonderful characters. We have the new challenger, Admiral Rokugyu. Then we have Buggy the Clown, the new crowned emperor, who really just faked it till you make it on a large scale, and now look at him. I'm so proud of you, Buggy. And then, just for fun's sake, all the Straw Hats in their new clothes, max time 30 minutes. There's 10 people, maximum 30 minutes. If the budget is $20 for 10 people, we gotta make it work. Somehow. Who are we gonna pick? Fuck. How much money do we get? Yes. Fuck yeah! So if you got a squad of 10 people, you could do this. I'm gonna go into the mindset as if we are a group of 10 friends going to a festival, or we're going to a Halloween party. This will drop around that time. We're gonna look like the entire Straw Hat crew at the end of the Wano arc. So pack your bags. We're gonna do our best. Oh, all right, 30 minutes on the clock. 30 minutes on the clock. We could have just done Buggy. Buggy would have been so friggin' easy. Oh, we have $5,000, don't we? 500, right? Is that 500? The first thing that comes to mind is silk kimonos, but you know, and 10 people are a lot. I would rather get a cheaper kimono, so let's go Amazon. My goal is to be like, oh, I would wear that on a Tuesday. These more kimono jacket feels. It'll be more better, I promise you. More better. This is too much. This is trying to get sucked. Luffy doesn't want to be a hero. Doesn't want to share the meat, bro. What are you gonna do? Oh my god. Okay, quick, everyone. Quick, name all the Straw Hats at the top of your head. No. Luffy, Zoro, Nami, Sanji, Usopp, Robin, Chopper, Frankie, Brook, Jinbei. 8, 9, 10. What's up, bitch? What are you wearing? Fucking black? Here, take a black one, Frankie. This is... I would wear this in... Oh, that's... Add that to cart. Just, you know, just why not? Yeah, okay. So Frankie's at $20. Ooh. These are kind of... Ooh. This is Luffy's. Nah, that's not Luffy's. No, ooh, this could be... I'm getting a Sanji feel off of this. Does that look like a beautiful lady's face down there? I think it does. Do y'all say Sanji? I am feeling Sanji poo right there. The only reason I don't want... Like, this one is dope for Luffy right here because you can see the swirls. But I don't... When they color this shit out, I don't think he's going to be wearing that. I think it's going to be like a dark green or something. We need flowers. Damn, this is hard. Yeah, for the sake of time, we'll say this is Luffy. Zoro could have this one, just because it's fucking fresh. Oh, this one's Chopper's for sure. This is for sure Chopper's. Of course, Chopper's has cherry blossoms on it. That's Chopper's. Look at him. Eating his thing. Oh damn, we got 18 minutes. It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Don't look at the numbers. Nami, Usopp, Robin, Brook, Jinbei. Jinbei has to wear a hood. The fool always has a hoodie. Yeah, that looks very Jinbei-y. But then we're gonna need to get him a hoodie and like some fangs or something. Oh, and then we'll get him the 104s. Easy. I got a plan. Y'all don't think I could do it. Y'all don't think I could do it, but I got it. Ah, I need something with like bullseyes or some. Usopp would wear this. Just. He would. He would. You've been playing music for far too long, sir. Yo, 14 minutes. All right, Brooke, you get this one. Fuck it. That's not Nami, but oh, this has lots of weather though. It's not cute though. Yeah, we'll give this one to Nami because that's what she's wearing here. Robin, we definitely need some flowers. Like, ooh. It's Robin. It's gotta be classier than that. Elegant. That's what I'm looking for. Elegance. What's my time like? 8 minutes. Fuck. Oh, actually, this is more Zoro. This is hella gives me Zoro vibes. This is Zoro's from now on. This was my plan. We're gonna speed up a little bit. We're all gonna get brand name slides. We're just gonna get some matching Wano Kuni ones, and then so it'll be like all kimonos and then all matching slides, and then we're gonna get a headset of everything we want. So Luffy's gonna get his hat, Zoro could get 3 swords, Usopp's gonna get his goggles and a nose maybe. Frankie could get sock and boppers and a beetle necklace maybe. Brooke gets a skeleton mask. Nami gets a thundercloud or whatever. I don't know what would make that. Chopper, of course, gets his hat. Robin can get... Give her that fan. Give her that fan. And then Sanji gets a pack of studs. Yeah, that should come up to about $5,000. Let's find the groups. Let's find the group slides. What would you call these? Sandals? What is it called when there's a toe in the sandal? Let's go on StockX. We only have 5 minutes. Let's go sneaker. Oh no, we need tinilas, bro. What would you call them? Slippers? Just give me the brands. Best luxury slides 2022. Let's see what's up. We only got 3.5 minutes. I got sweat on my eye right now, dude. Like I am about it right now. Suiko, I love Suiko. Team Suiko. Ooh. Pull up with Team Palm Angels, and that's tough. Like, just imagine that they have all the sizes and they're all in stock. That's what I needed. That's what I was looking for. I just need a list of brands before we pull up. Y'all got like a tan. Let's go. That's fucking perfect, actually. It's square too. That's fucking fresh, son. Okay, so we're all pulling up in these. Hands the fuck down. 165. And then give or take, let's all say we all spend like $30 to $50 on the little fixins, and then the rest we could use on jewelry. 3 earrings to have on Zoro's costume. We need a hat. Dude, I'm really happy we found these Palm Angel flip-flops. These are the Wano Kuni 6 with time to spare. That's impressive. Yo, we did it. I was sweating. Well, that shit got me stressed. Do you agree with how I would dress up this squad of 10? Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. I really want to do Kobe. A different outfit for every evolution of Kobe. My name is Kyle from work. Please support Black, Brown, Asian business. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you. I wasn't even recording. I'm stupid. I am a douche. I just wasn't recording. I wasn't recording. Now we gotta do the whole thing over. I like that. Okay. Anyway, hello everyone. My name is Kyle from work.